Before I start the session today, I want you to answer some of my questions. Question number 1. What will be the quotient if we divide the smallest positive prime number by 2? Question number 2. The factors of composite numbers are only even. Is this statement right or wrong? And question number 3. Why real numbers are called as real? If there is even one question which you are unable to answer, then you should watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Surya and today I am here to clear your fundamentals on real numbers. So when we take rational numbers and irrational numbers and combine them together, they form real numbers. But rational number itself is made up of 10 different types of numbers. Yes, it is. So let me quickly define each of the 10 numbers for you. The first one is natural number. Natural numbers are the integers starting from 1 till infinity. So 1, 2, 3 till infinity is natural number. Second one is whole numbers. When you include 0 in the natural numbers, then it becomes whole number. Third one is integers. So every number whose fractional part is 0 is integer. Integers can be negative, positive. So minus 10, minus 8, plus 10, plus 8, even 0 is an integer. The fourth one is even numbers, which is very easy. Any number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. But do you know the smallest positive even number? It is 2. And 0 is also an even number. Yes, it is. Remember this. The fifth one is odd number. So odd number is again very easy. Any number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. So can you tell me the smallest positive odd number? Yes, it is 1. And odd numbers can also be negative and positive. Sixth one is prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and by itself. Apart from this, they have no factors. So the smallest positive prime number is 2. 1 is not a prime number. Next, and number 7 is co-primes. Let us say you have a set of numbers and the only common factor is 1. Then this set of numbers are called as co-primes. Let us take for example 4, 5, 7 and 9. If you factorize them all, then you will see that the only common factor possible between these four numbers is 1. So these set of four numbers are co-primes to each other. Here I will give you two tips. If suppose you have to find the HCF of some given numbers and you can see that these numbers are co-primes to each other, that is the common factor is only 1, then the HCF of co-primes are only 1. Yes, the HCF of co-primes is 1. Tips number 2. If you are simplifying a fraction by cancelling out the common factors, then if in the numerator and the denominator the numbers which comes are co-primes to each other, then your simplification will stop there. Let us say for example you have to simplify 21 by 28. Now 21 can be written as 3 into 7 and 28 can be written as 4 into 7. Now 7 and 7 is common, they will cancel out in numerator and denominator, and what will remain as 3 by 4. Since 3 and 4 are co-primes to each other, your simplification will stop here. Your answer will be 3 by 4. Right? We will move on to the next number. The next type of number is fraction. So fraction is a number which is represented as numerator by denominator. So for example, if a number is given as 11 by 9, then it is called as fraction number. 2 by 7 is another example of fraction number. Now the next type of number comes as decimal number. Let us say you simplify a fraction in integer part and fraction part and put a decimal. For example, A fraction is given 8 by 5. Now, if you simplify it by division, the answer will be 1.6. Now, can you see 1 is separated from the fraction part 6 by a decimal between them. Then, since there is a decimal between the fraction part and integer part, it is called a decimal number. The next number, the 10th number, and the important one is the composite numbers. So what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are the numbers which are made by multiplying prime numbers. Let us say, for example, we take the prime numbers 2, 3 and 5 and we multiply them. Then what we get? We get 30. So 30 is a composite number. As a converse, we can say that a number whose factors are only prime numbers are called as composite numbers, right? So if you factorize 30, the factors will come as 2, 3 and 5 and the factors are prime numbers. All these 10 numbers combine to form the rational number only. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch the next part of this topic, real numbers, which will be the conclusion part. If you like learning with me, then give my videos a thumbs up and share these videos with your friends. They can learn easily from my videos too. So I will see you soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.